Are you dreaming of a relaxing retirement, but something is holding you back? You're not alone. In this eye-opening training, we'll explore the real reasons that might be preventing you from living the retirement of your dreams. From common misconceptions to hidden obstacles, we'll uncover the surprising factors that could be standing in your way. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of what's really holding you back and what you can do to overcome these challenges and achieve a happy, fulfilling retirement. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more informative content. Hello and welcome to the Confident Wealth Solution, where we deliver proven strategies that help you confidently create, expand, and manage your wealth. My name is Karen Kitt. I'm a retired teacher with over 13 years of experience in the financial services industry. Today, I'm going to break down the real facts about retirement in 2025 that you need to know so you can plan for your future with confidence. Most people are sabotaging their dream retirement without even realizing it, and I'm here to help you break free. We've worked hard for decades, and we dream of spending our golden years doing what we love, traveling, relaxing, and enjoying time with loved ones. But the truth is, nearly 70% of Americans have less than $1,000 saved for retirement. So, what's stopping us from achieving our dream retirement? Is it a lack of knowledge, lack of discipline, or something else entirely? The answer may surprise you. It's often a combination of factors, including insufficient savings, high expenses, and poor financial planning. But don't worry, I'm here to help you identify and overcome these obstacles. The good news is that with the right mindset, knowledge, and resources, you can create a retirement that's truly fulfilling and financially sustainable. You'll need a clear understanding of your financial situation, a solid retirement plan, and the discipline to stick to it. The first step is to define your retirement vision. What do you want your ideal retirement to look like? Where do you want to live, travel, and spend your time? What kind of lifestyle do you want to maintain? By answering these questions, you'll get a clear sense of direction and purpose. Next, you'll need to assess your current financial situation. Take stock of your income, expenses, assets, debts, and savings. Be honest with yourself and don't sugarcoat the numbers. This will give you a clear picture of where you are today and what you need to do to get to where you want to be. Once you have a clear understanding of your financial situation, it's time to get smart. That's right. Set SMART goals that are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. Answer questions such as, what do you want to achieve in the next 5, 10, 20 years? How much money do you need to save and by when? What kind of returns do you need to generate on your investments? Once you have these key ingredients in mind, it's time to talk with a trusted financial professional who will help you do these 4 things. Number 1, create a diversified investment portfolio that aligns with your risk tolerance and goals. 2, develop a sustainable income strategy that will support you throughout your retirement. 3, optimize your taxes and healthcare costs in retirement. And 4, create a plan for long-term care and even assist with your retirement estate planning. Remember, retirement planning is not a one-time event. It's an ongoing process that requires regular monitoring and adjustments. So you'll need to meet with your financial professional to review and adjust your plan regularly. If you have a clear vision of your retirement dream, or you're very serious about exploring what retirement might look like for you and your loved ones, use the link below to schedule a discovery call with me or one of my team members. And you'll be celebrating your dream retirement in no time with confidence.